Hello everyone, myself Makaran Wankhede, Maths educator of Gajera Global School PAL. Today we are going to start a new chapter and that chapter name is Lines and Angles. So as you know, to form an angle, we require two arms that should start from a common vertex. So today we are going to see few topics in lines and angles, and the first topic is complementary angles. Now, as what is complementary angles? Two angles are said to be a complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Means angle 1 plus angle 2, it should be have 90 degree, not less than 90 degree and not more than 90 degree. It should be exact 90 degree. Then only we can say that both the angles are complementary of each other. As you can see figure A and figure B. If I want to draw complementary angle, then I can draw the angle like this. This is my angle 1. I am naming that angle A, B, C. If let assume that angle A measurement is 45 degree, and if I want to find out the complementary angle of angle 1, the complementary angle should be equal to angle 1. Why? Because as we know that two complementary angles. So if I will draw the second figure, angle P, Q, R. Okay. So angle 1 plus angle 2, it should be 90 degree. And if I am having a measurement of angle 1 is equal to 45 degree, then but obvious the second angle will be also 45, because 45 plus 45 the angle is 90 degree, and that is complementary angle. So complementary angles can be different in a figure, or they can have a common arm also, as we have seen the figure. As you can see this figure, O, A, B and C. So complementary angles can be adjacent of each other and they can be separate also. We will learn what is adjacent angle in next topic. Now, second topic of complementary angle after complementary angle is supplementary angle. Two complementary angles, when they come together, it form supplementary angle. And supplementary angle means two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Perfect 180 degree, not less than 180 degree, not more than 180 degree. So as we have seen the complementary angle, the measurement should be 90 degree. Here also in supplementary, the measurement should be 180. It should not more than 180, it should not less than 180. So we'll see. If I am having an angle A, B and C. If it is having a measurement of 105 degree and I want to find the complementary angle of this, then I need to subtract given angle from 180, as it is been said that angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary supplementary of each other. So if I want to find out angle PQR, so angle PQR is equal to 180 minus angle ABC, and as we are having the measurement of angle ABC, it will be subtracted from 180, it will be 75 degree. So this way we can find out the supplementary angle of the other angle which is not given, or the measurement of supplementary angle is 180 degree. I hope both supplementary and complementary are clear to you. Now we will see some examples. that I had already shown you right now. The example 1 is the measure of an angle is equal to its complement. It has been said that the given measure is equal to the complement. So whenever there is equal, it means that both the angles are having same measurement. Find the measurement of the angle. Here there is no measurement is given, so we will assume that let angle x will be the measurement of the given angle. So complement of x, 90 minus x. So now you can see there are two angles which is having the same measurement as it was given in the question, that the measure of angle is equal to its complement. So both the angles is having x measurement. So 90 divided by 2, the angle is 45 degree. So angle 1 as well as angle 2, both angles are 45 degree, and as they are complementary, addition of 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. Example 2 is of supplementary angles, that you can see here the condition is given for the greater angle and there is no angle is given for the smaller angle. So as we learn in the linear equation, that if we are not having any of the condition given for a term, we will assume that the value of given term is x. So here we will assume the smaller angle is equal to x, and it has been said that the greater angle is 54 more. More means plus 54, and plus 54 in the smaller angle, that is x. So greater angle will be x plus 54. So now we will form the linear equation, and the linear equation will be x plus 54 is equal to 180. Why? Because the addition of both the angles, as it is been said as a supplementary, it is 180 degrees. So I have to find out the value of x. So x minus 180 minus x is equal to 54, that is given. So x is equal to plus x and minus x is there. So it will become 2x here, as x is also having a plus sign and second x is also having a plus sign. So x plus x, 2x. 180 will change the sign. The transpose of minus 180 becomes plus 180 on the RHS. So 54 plus 180, it is 234. So 2x is equal to 234. Again we have to find out the value of x. So 234 divided by x, so x is equal to 17. So we got the value of x, that is of smaller angle, that is 117, and it has been said that the greater angle is 54 more than. So next angle will be, it will be 117 plus 54 if you will do, okay, then you will get a different answer. But as the required angle was 117, so 180 minus 17, 117, you will get 63. So the first angle is 117 and the second angle is 63. So the smaller angle is 63, and when you will add 63 plus 54, that is the condition of the greater angle, you will get 170. So by this both the examples, it was very much clear to you about complementary and supplementary. Now we will move to the next topic, and that is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means neighboring angles, direct neighbor, or they are next to you. As we can see that we are having flats 101 and 102. So 102 is very next to 101. So we can say that 101 and 102 are the neighboring flats. In the same way, adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common vertex and a common arm. As you can see the figure A. And we have seen in complementary as well as supplementary also that the arm which is common between both the angles, okay, so they can be said as a adjacent, as we discuss in the complementary angle. So it is been said as a adjacent angle that angle AOB, means the upper angle in figure 1, that is AOB, is adjacent to angle BOC, because here BO is shared between both the angles. So if any one arm is shared between the two angles, then both the angles are said to be a adjacent angles, that you can see from the figure. Next we are taking linear pair. Now we will just read the content of linear pair. What it says? Linear pair, a pair of adjacent angles. So in linear pair it will come the picture of adjacent angle. A pair of adjacent angle, pair means two angles of adjacent angles, it's said to be a linear pair if non-common arms are opposite rays and angles are supplementary. So again, how a linear pair will come. For this I will draw a figure. Linear pair says that it should be a two angles. Two angles, they should come in the one, they are called as a adjacent angle. If I am drawing an angle and this is angle A, B, and this is C, and this is D. So I am having upper angle and lower angle. So these two angles are said to be adjacent, but they are not linear pair. They are not to be said as a linear pair. Why? Because from the statement we have seen that the measurement of linear pair should be 180 or supplementary. Means addition of the upper angle and the lower angle both should be 180, not less than 180 and not greater than 180. It should be exact 180. Then only I can say that both the angles form a linear pair. Now, angles on the straight line. On a straight line, you can make n number of angles, but addition of all the angle should be not more than 180 degree. It can be less than, but angles on a straight line, you can form n numbers of angles. As you can see, angle 1 is there, angle 2 is there, 3, 4, 5. But summation of all the angles should be 180, not less. It can be less than 180, but angles should, when they are added, it should be 180. We are having one example here. Name all the pair of adjacent angles from the following figure. As you can see, I am having two figure A and B, in which you will say A, B, C, the inside alphabets, and X, Y, and Z, they are exterior of that triangle. In another B figure, you will able to see P, Q, R, and one more is there is T between R and Q. So if I want to find out the adjacent angles of these two figures, I can easily find out angle ABC is adjacent to angle ACB. Means B and C are adjacent. In the same way, B and A are also adjacent. A and C is also adjacent to each other. In the same way, if I will see triangle TPR, the lower triangle, and the upper triangle is QTP, they are two different triangles, but TP, line segment TP, is common between both the triangles. So I can say that angle TPR and angle TPQ both are adjacent angles. Now we'll go for next. One more example of linear pair, we can say, or angles on a straight line. But it is more about the angles on the straight line, not about the linear pair. Okay, because in linear pair there should be two adjacent angles and adjacent angle should form 180 degree. But as in the figure we can see there are three different angles and addition of any two angles is not equal to 180 degree. So they can be considered as an adjacent angle, but they cannot consider as a linear pair. But addition of all the angles will become 180 degree. So it is angles on the straight line. As you can see the solution, what we have to find? We have to find out the value of y. So we will do addition of all the given angles, whether it is a variable or the values. So here the equation will be y plus y minus 29 plus y plus 17 is equal to 180. Y, angles on the straight line, is equal to 180 degree. So y plus y, we are having 3y, 17 and minus 29. Addition subtraction will become the subtraction operation. So 29 is a bigger number, bigger minus smaller, 29 minus 17, I am getting 12 as the answer. As 29 is having a bigger number, having a sign of negative, so I will put negative sign. So 3y minus 12 is equal to 180 degree. So 3y is equal to transpose of minus 12 will become plus 12 on RHS. So 3y is equal to 180 plus 12. So 192, it will be divided by 3, we will get y is equal to 64. And if you will put the value of y in all the three angles, you will get the angle of each and every angle. You will get the measurement of each and every angles. For example, if I will say AOB, angle y is there, so it is 63 degree. BOC, it will be 63 minus 29, and the last angle COD 63 plus 17. So you will get the measurement of each and every angle. Now the next topic is vertically opposite angle. What is vertically opposite? Vertically opposite means exact opposite to that given angle. When two lines are intersect means they will cross each other in form of X. When two lines are intersecting each other at a common vertex, then the angle will be formed, will be upper and lower will be vertically opposite, and right and left will be vertically opposite. As you can see the figure 9.10. As here AB is a line segment, AB is a line that is crossing line CD at center point, that is O is the intersecting point. Here we form four angles. The first angle is angle AOC, second angle is angle COB, third angle is angle BOD, and next last angle is BDOA. So here upper angle AOC is vertically opposite of angle BOD, means the measurement of AOC is equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angles. So we'll see one example of this. As you can see, example number 5. It is a figure. We have to find out the value of X. And whenever there is a vertically opposite, the angles are same. Here as you can see, line BD is intersecting line AC at a point O. And we have to find out the value of X, as it has been said that the upper angle AOB is given 70 degree. So the measurement of angle COD will be same as it is 70. Why? Because both the angles are vertically opposite angles. So I hope whatever topics that I had covered today, it will be very much crystal clear to all of you. So if you are having any doubts, you can reach me anytime.